Guess what? We're gonna do a grocery delivery to our neighbors. Haha. 2 vlogs. Come with me. My link's on here. I'll take you here. Guys, let's go spin the Ferris wheel. And then we're gonna go say hi to our monk friends. I haven't seen them for a while, you guys. It's been a busy New Year and Tibetan New Year. Comment below. Ooh, and look at the bay. All right, let's do it. Where do I put you guys? In the bushes? Alright guys, I don't want to wear out my look how beautiful. And guess what kind of, oh, this is funny. I almost bought this house right here with the cherry orchard, but I didn't because this lady beat me out cash, 2012. I would have lived right there. Anyways, there's the peace garden. Let's go say hi to our monk friends. I bought them some gifts at Trader Joe's. I hope they like it. I want you guys to subscribe to their channel, Kyoto Foundation. Streams live, teachings on Thursday, meditation Monday 7 to 8, Sunday service 10 to 12. Comment below if you want to go. Click my link. I'll bring you here. Let's get them some treats. Let's see what we got. I'm just gonna get this beginning in. Say hi. I found some vegan stuff. I like to bring Shire and my monk friend treats. Hang on. It's funny. See my monk friend Danya. He drives the same car. Look guys, it's Tibetan New Year. Oh. If you're interested, a lot of my guests like to come here. We're gonna go say hi. But first, we're gonna take off our shoes. Right here, you guys. I'm just gonna say aloha. Look, they're open. Hello? Anybody here? I'm bringing offerings. You guys can come here with me. And Shire, he's usually here at the front desk. Or Danya. And this kitchen, community hall. I don't see anybody. Alright. I'll come back. I don't see you. Neighborhood delivery. Alright. Oh, and do not forget to stop in at the gift shop local. And have a happy Tibetan New Year. Maybe they're in deep forest. I'm not gonna bother them, but I'll come back later. Alright guys, I love you. If you feel alone, comment below. You never are.